Hey, you go call me, my phone dey vibrate. That goes to show that if na money I no get, because you know dey do free thing. Hello?
Hello, baby.
Huh?
My baby.
Huh? Wait. Just stop it. Hang it. If na money I no get, e no dey with me. Shishi no get, I no get. I receive my salary, I don spend am finish. Even £1, e no dey with me for house.
Oh my God.
I don't understand. Come, which kind push man you see? You no see you. These men are so nappy for this UK. Basically, they romantic tone now. They give una pet name. You no go feel reciprocate because you be village boy.
I no be village champion, no vex. You know say you no dey praise person for free like that. Before you go pick your call person, there must be some kind of hidden agenda. And I think say maybe not because of money or anything. Because sometimes if me they call you, you know they pick. No talk of you picking your phone to call me. So anytime when I see your call like that, my mind will always beep because me not get anything.
If I call you my baby, my sweetheart, my lover, it should say body they sweet me. I dey happy because you be my baby.
No vex. Okay, how is life generally? How is everything?
Anyway, baby, I just need like £100 when I want to make you.
Jesus!
Not be this one me dey talk yours now. Not be this one me dey talk yours now. They say see Oyibo, the other one say no be Oyibo, and say na father.
Oh my God.
Not be this one me dey talk yours. I not get.
Hold on there. Come on, £100. £100. Now you the shot and I want just for 2 months. Go sit down for one corner. I don't understand. Which one be now when I need something from you now the baby you love her, you sugar you? I better go sit down. You hear the smell.
Oh my God.
Now you know. You still love you not happy. You go give me or you not go give me.
Hello. Oh God, this network don't. Hello, you dey hear me?
Oh my God.
Hello. You dey hear me? Network no. I dey talk yours now say na because of money you dey call me, now you dey praise me. You say no. Later now you pass back. Now you wan come ask of money. Me get money.
Oh my God.
Last year I carry you for head. One single thing, one project I not do for us. This year I need to wise up. Come together. Let's live together as man and woman. You say no. You need a free life and all that. Let's begin to have children. Nothing. You begin to the phone fine girl for street. Then I will spend Jonah. Oh man for himself. Oh. If you are not ready to move in with me, start family, my shishi know the enter person pocket again. Network not there. Hello. Network not there. Even if you find for your own. Better pass a person marry who not find who get character. Who can give you what you want than person where you find will be everybody property. Never.